Another new purchase for the farm. Box old kitty and Fluffy helped me check it out. This is a get this thing to focus. YesWelder Mig-205DS multifunction. It will stick weld, MIG weld, and TIG weld. So what comes with it? You got your electrode holder and ground clamp, your MIG gun. This will work on 220 volt or 120 volt. It's got the gas hose. It's got your roller for either 030 or 035 wire. It's got really good reviews on YouTube, and it's pretty handy. It works on 110 volt. You can run it off of a portable generator out in the field if you had to. If you had a 220 volt 50 amp plug on your generator, you could use a generator at 220 volt. It does not come with any wire. Comes with one tip on the MIG gun, but I haven't opened it up to see what size it is. It's probably an 030. It'll take a 2-pound or 10-pound roll of wire. Supposed to weld up to, according to this manual, 3/4 material. I think that's kind of a stretch, but I'll have it up there at the farm. It's light enough I can bring it back down here to the house if I gotta weld something in the garage. Manual's okay. They actually tell you in the manual to go to the internet to get more details. It's got a little weld chart, comes with it. Kitty's still in the box. And it'll be next weekend before I can do a review on it. I have to go up to my factory today and mow. It's supposed to come a storm tomorrow and kind of running out of time. And it's about time to mow up there the first time. No regulator. Everybody recommends you use CO2. I just use flux-core metal wire. But I have to fool with the gas. Get a better quality weld if you use gas. But for what I do, flux-core will be fine. Hell of a deal. Amazon listed it at $3.99. I'm Prime, no shipping, but I do have to pay sales tax. And I was ordering it, the coupon popped up, it was $100 off. So I clicked on that. With tax and delivered was $324. Came here in 2 days. So anxious to try it out. Like I said, I got really good reviews from professional welders, not people like me. A very versatile machine. So anyway, I get it all hooked up to the barn, trying it out. I'll do a quick little video welding some metal with it. About all for this one. Thank you.